Hey guys, in this video I am gonna unbox the OnePlus Buds Z and share my experience with these buds. I purchased these from Amazon for 3000 rupees. Please check the description for the links if you are interested. OnePlus Buds Z is almost 2000 rupees cheaper than the OnePlus Buds, but it offers almost all features that OnePlus Buds offer. It's been a while since I've been using these buds and my experience with these buds are really amazing. I think these are the best pair of TWS that you can get it for under 3000 rupees. So without further delay, let's get started. Inside box you get this charging case with both the buds placed in it. I would like to say that this charging case is really very compact and nice looking with the OnePlus branding on it. Inside box you also get this USB Type-C charging cable, 2 extra pairs of ear tips, red club cable card, user manual, warranty card, and yeah, that's pretty much in the box. Talking about the build quality, OnePlus has done a great job here. Yes, the whole case and earbuds are made up of plastic, but it's a good plastic material and looks premium too. OnePlus Buds Z is equipped with 10mm drivers and comes with Bluetooth version 5 and also supports the features like fast charging, low latency mode, in-ear detection, instant quick pairing and many more. Talking about the physical overview, behind the charging case there is USB Type-C charging port and pairing button. Front LED light is present for indication. To pair it for a first time you need to open charging case and then press and hold pairing button for about 4 to 5 seconds. Then instantly you will get notified that OnePlus Buds Z is ready to pair. It takes few seconds while you pairing it for the first time. Once the pairing is done, you get to see the battery percentage of both the earbuds and charging case. You can also customize the double tap functionalities and you can customize it according to your preference in the device settings. Instant quick pairing works brilliantly. As soon as the case is opened, it is connected to the phone without any delay every single time you open the case. Unlike OnePlus Buds, it comes with ear tip design. As a result, it fits perfectly and securely in ear. I tested it with continuous music playback and had also taken calls via it. The sound clarity and microphone clarity is very good. Battery backup is also promising. Roughly I used to get about 4 to 4.5 hours of playback. To sum it up, I would like to say that if you are planning to buy a TWS that is priced at around 3000 rupees, I think this is the one you should go for it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.